पहली पुस्तक मेरे हाथ में ये पांडुलिपि है, मीन्स दिस इज जस्ट ए फर्स्ट कॉपी टू बी checked and then it will go into publishing full force.
Our dear friend and my husband's batchmate, Captain Soumitra Roy from the UAE, has launched his insightful new book, ISO 9001, Complaint Mother-in-Law, a thoughtful and much-needed guide for today's evolving families. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girija Saga. Venki introduced the author and the book, which beautifully captures the transition from wife to mother and to mother-in-law, understanding shifting dynamics, adapting new expectations, and navigating relationships with grace. यह पुस्तक सीमाओं का सम्मान करने, बिना सीमा लांघे स्नेह देने और सच में दीवारें नहीं बल्कि पुल बनाने के महत्व को उजागर करती है। यह जुड़े रहने के साथ साथ जगह देने, बहू की व्यक्तित्व और विशिष्टता की सराहना करने और बिना किसी दबाव या तुलना के संतुलन बनाने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। Captain Roy also shares practical ways to assess the needs and expectations of both your family members and you, how to align them with empathy and clarity. A meaningful, relatable, and eye-opening read for every modern household. वर्णन को ISO 9001 गुणवत्ता प्रबंधन प्रणाली के तत्वों से जोड़ा गया है, जिससे यह सुनिश्चित होता है कि उस समय प्रचलित ढांचे के भीतर सभी जुड़े हुए लोगों की आवश्यकताओं को पूरा किया जाए। Book also describes Maslow's hierarchy of needs and beautifully applies to the mother-in-law and daughter-in-law relationship. The language used in the book is simple, straightforward, and to the point, and will certainly be well understood and by general reader.
The whole book. So big clap to you. I don't hand over the book, so this is the official launch for this book.
Bravo, bravo, congratulations.
Big hand to Soumitra.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction. Well, to be very frank with you, this book was conceptualized 43 years back. 43 years back. Long time in someone's life. And finally, it took shape. It is a near complete format. Just a few months back, days after, my son's marriage was finalized. And I'm a hardcore operations guy, just like the gentleman standing on my right. We take nothing for granted and we put everything in writing. So this is in writing. Many of you have asked me for a copy of the book. Actually, what I have is what they call proof copy for checking. And but I can give you a soft copy. Anybody, if you want, I can give you a soft copy. And once this is printed, finally, well, copy can be sent to you. Okay? And how this copy came up is there are some changes I want in this book to be made, and obviously we will be writing a forward. The existing forward has to be changed to preface, and a new forward is required, which Venki will write. So this is actually his hard copy, and which he has shared with you all. Thank you. Anybody want to have a look at it? It's here.
Thank you so much, Soumitra, and congratulations on your publication. Many more to come. Thank you so much.